Think you need to wait for YouTube monetization to start making money? I'm about to shatter that myth completely. Most creators are trapped chasing subscriber counts and watch hours while missing the real goldmine right in front of them. After running 12 YouTube channels and helping over 11,000 creators, I've discovered something that changes everything about making money on this platform. Here's the brutal truth about traditional YouTube monetization. With an average revenue of just $800 per million views from ads, you'd need massive viral success to see meaningful income. But what if I told you there's a way to potentially earn 10 to 100 times more from the exact same viewership? This isn't wishful thinking, it's a proven system that smart creators are using right now. The secret lies in understanding something I call the creator economy revolution. While everyone chases ad pennies, successful YouTubers position themselves in front of buyers, not just viewers. They've cracked the code on immediate monetization through strategic affiliate partnerships and value-driven content systems. The foundation starts with choosing what I call problem-rich niches. Entertainment channels might get millions of views, but viewers watching cat videos aren't in buying mode. However, someone searching for investment advice or weight loss solutions, they're actively looking to spend money solving their problems. The most profitable niches fall into 5 categories: money, health, relationships, technology, and travel. But go deeper. Instead of broad topics, focus on specific areas like personal finance, fitness coaching, or productivity software. The game changer is creating what I call your money video. This 15 to 30-minute masterpiece provides massive value while naturally leading into paid solutions. Think comprehensive guides, detailed tutorials, or problem-solving frameworks. These longer videos rack up serious watch time while positioning you as the go-to expert in your space. Here's where most creators miss the mark completely. Your money video isn't just another upload. It's the hub of your entire content strategy. Every subsequent video should funnel viewers back to this cornerstone content through end screens, pinned comments, and strategic mentions. This creates a symbiotic system where viral videos drive traffic to your monetization engine. The numbers don't lie about affiliate marketing's potential. Software products typically offer 20 to 70% commissions with recurring income streams. Imagine promoting a $99 monthly software tool with 30% recurring commissions. Just 100 signups generates $3,000 monthly in passive income. Digital courses work similarly well since they're fulfilled digitally, allowing higher commission rates. Email marketing amplifies everything exponentially. Affiliates using email marketing earn 66% more than those who don't. Create valuable lead magnets like free guides or exclusive videos to capture emails, then nurture those relationships with consistent value before occasional promotional content. But here's the critical conversion secret most miss entirely. Don't send viewers directly to affiliate products. Instead, create custom landing pages offering free resources in exchange for email addresses. This builds your audience while establishing trust before making any sales pitch. The key is identifying pain points and positioning solutions naturally within valuable content. Timing is everything with this approach. Don't wait until you have thousands of subscribers to start monetizing. That's leaving money on the table from day one. Even channels with modest viewership can generate substantial income when properly structured around problem-solving content and strategic partnerships. The implementation roadmap is straightforward but requires commitment. Week 1 involves selecting your problem niche based on high-paying categories. Week 2 focuses entirely on crafting your money video. Make it exceptional. Week 3 covers setting up affiliate accounts for courses or software products. Week 4 launches your content funnel with supporting videos that drive traffic back to your monetization hub. Common pitfalls destroy potential before it starts. Never wait for audience growth to begin monetizing. Don't rely solely on ad revenue or think you need expert-level knowledge. Position yourself as an information curator, taking existing knowledge and presenting it in accessible, valuable ways. Avoid buying monetized channels. They're often fraudulent and will hurt your long-term growth. The artificial intelligence revolution adds another powerful dimension to this strategy. AI tools can dramatically streamline content creation, research, and even video production. Smart creators leverage AI for script writing, thumbnail design, keyword research, and audience analysis. This technology democratizes content creation, allowing individual creators to compete with larger productions. Video creation itself becomes scalable with AI assistance. Automated editing tools, voice synthesis, and even AI-generated visuals can help maintain consistent output without massive production costs. However, the human element remains crucial for authentic connection and strategic decision-making. Success requires realistic expectations alongside consistent execution. This isn't overnight wealth creation, but it's a legitimate path to substantial income from day one. Unlike scammy get-rich-quick schemes, this system builds real value while helping audiences solve genuine problems. The competitive advantage comes from starting immediately rather than waiting for perfect conditions. YouTube actively promotes new channels, making now the ideal time to launch your monetization strategy. Every successful creator started with 0 subscribers and 0 views. The difference lies in implementing proven systems rather than hoping for viral luck. This approach transforms YouTube from entertainment platform to business-building machine. When done correctly, it creates multiple income streams while establishing authority in your chosen niche. The compound effect builds momentum over time, with early videos continuing to drive revenue months or years after creation. Remember that success on YouTube isn't about talent or luck. It's about having the right system and executing consistently. The creators making real money aren't waiting for YouTube's permission to monetize. They're building audiences, solving problems, and generating income from their very first video upload.